guys, it's me Kandi, and today we are going to be recreating this look here. Green and gold, baby. On the entire eye, I used 2 palettes. I did use only 2 lipsticks. I know, right? If you would like to see how I created this lovely green and gold look, then go ahead and stay tuned. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It should be here, there, and I'm gonna stop rambling on and let's get to this video. I can't even move because it's... Okay guys, so as you can see, my face and eyebrows are completely done. So let's go ahead and jump on this thing. So we are going to be using the majority of these colors from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. And we're going to be using both the green and the blue colors here. And the first shade we're going to take is this nice green color. And we are going to place that directly above my crease. And we're going to blend that out. Once that has been completed, we're going to use the shade right next to it. And we're going to place that directly on the crease. And again, I am just blending that out using a windshield wiper motion. Now we're going to go ahead and use my NYX Cosmetics palette here, and in this palette you can actually customize different colors to place in the palette, and I did actually purchase this green a long time ago. There is no name for it at the back, so I apologize for that, but we're gonna go ahead and place that right on top of that green, and then we're gonna blend that inwards. Now to bring in some teal, we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette, and we're gonna take this gorgeous teal color and we are going to place that directly on the crease. Now once that's done, we're going to go in with my favorite concealer palette. This is the NYX Conceal Correct Contour Kit, and we're going to be taking this shade here and we're going to place that directly on the middle of my lid. Once that has been blended, we're going to go back in with that green and teal color and we're going to pat that directly onto the concealer. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and add some glue, and we are using the NYX Primer Pigment, and we are going to be using the pigment which is Old Hollywood, and this is a nice gold shimmery, and it is shimmery and super like insanely fine riched, so a little goes a long way. Which, by the way, I wish someone would have told me that because I put on a crap ton of glitter. Once it has been set, we're going to go ahead and work on the bottom lashes. We're going to take that same teal color and place that on the bottom lash. And then we're going to go back in with that same green from the NYX Cosmetics palette and blend that as well. Now once the glue has dried with the glitter, we're going to go back in with that teal brush and we're going to pretty much create more depth with the color, and we're going to place that at the outer corner of the golden portion, and then we're going to go back in with that green and pat that in the inner corner of my eye. Now I apologize, I was eating a bagel. We are just going to line both my bottom and top with the Maybelline Eyestudio, and this is in the shade Blackest Black. Now for the mascara, we're using, as you know, the MAC Cosmetic Mascara. And I went ahead and placed one lash on so you can see what's going on. And we're going to go back into the face to kind of redefine everything. We're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And this is in the shade Sunray. Once that highlight is in place on the face, we're going to also put that on my nose. Now it's time for the blush. We're going to be using the Too Faced Papa Don't Preach Peach blush. God, say that 15 times. Or I could literally smell this blush like all day. It's insanely freaking delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and use that sucker, and we're gonna put that apples on my cheeks. And then we're gonna go back in with, you know, my favorite with Slick Cosmetics. We're gonna put that in with the contour. And now to put on the final lash. So let's go ahead and dive into these lips, you guys. So we are going to be using Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Crocodile Tears. And we're just gonna place that on the top portion of my lips. And then for the bottom lips, we're gonna go in with the ColourPop, and this is their Ultra Matte Lip, and this is in the shade Dr. M. Alright guys, well this is the final look. I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling on because I did that a lot in the video you shortly see here. So yeah, thanks. I was just trying to do beanie just because I thought something would be different. And then baby was like, put on some long earrings. And I haven't worn these earrings since our maternity shoot, and I'll pop a picture here or there where you see these earrings, and I'm gonna take them off because it's driving me a little crazy. This is the final look, guys. I hope you guys like it. It's pretty different, and don't mind my bra straps because I know that could be annoying, but yeah, I hope you guys like it. It's totally green and gold, and I'm not knocking it at all. It's, hey, I'm here, I'm green, appreciate me. It could go for like St. Patrick's Day. That is coming up, right? I don't know. Anyway guys, thank you so much for staying tuned. I really do appreciate the love and support. You guys are amazing, like amazing sauce. Like if I could brew you guys all up with your comments and your love and like just your support, you guys would be like this bowl of just like goulash of amazing sauce. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. So I'm gonna stop rambling on, and we are going to now exit the video. So thanks guys. I will see you next time. Bye.